Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you the hottest pepper sauce ever. And trust me, you've never seen this recipe before. Just be patient and I'll show you how I made this beautiful, beautiful pepper sauce. Come along, let's see the ingredients. You'll be needing pepper, like the mango pepper, salt, seasoning, fresh herbs for flavors like dill and coriander, basil, which is local curry leaf, Titus fish, and oil. These are your basic ingredients. Let's start right away. Now, I like to toast my pepper because I like the flavor that comes with it. But I share my pepper in two. Half of it I run through a food processor, and the other half I toast until it turns black. Not completely black, but something like this. The flavor that comes in this is mad. Is mind-blowing. Where are my pepper lovers? Where are you? Where are you? By the time we are done making this pepper, hey, my pepper gang people, we will be known as Bolanle. Yes, you will know why we will be known as Bolanle very soon. So you want to toast this on low heat so that you don't choke for, let's say, about 5 minutes until it is dark like this. So next, you want to transfer both peppers into a pan, preferably a non-stick pan, and do not add any other ingredients yet. Start with the first pepper that you had processed. You can either use a food processor, or you pound, or you cut it thinly. This food processor is actually affordable. You can find it for, I think, like 8K or 16K, or fairly used ones, my dears. It helps in the kitchen a lot. Now you want to boil your pepper for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you introduce your deboned Titus fish. Please remember to debone, meaning remove all the bones out of this, and boil it again for another 5 minutes. So in total, you're boiling your peppers for 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. You heard me well. For 10 minutes. Nothing more than 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. Then you bring in your seasoning and allow it to boil. When it starts to boil and you see bubbles like this, it is ready. You add your salt depending on the quantity of your pepper. You want to do 1 teaspoon or less, like I said, depending on the quantity of your pepper. Then you bring in your oil. Now, like I said, those of us that are pepper lovers, our name for today is Bolanle. You know why? Because hey, we're gonna pepper them. I added my dill, basil, and coriander. Oh my god, you should be in my kitchen right now. The flavor, the aroma coming out of this flavorful pepper, yummiest, hottest pepper sauce is to die for. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you are team pepper, let me hear you go. Pepper debo, olale pepper debo, pepper debo. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me, for being here. I truly, truly appreciate you. Please, you notice that on my, what's it called? Ingredients, I didn't have garlic, right? Now, I'm a garlic lover. I feel like everything just tastes better with garlic, so at some point, I added garlic to this. And that's basically it. What can you eat this with? You know, I have this tomato sauce. I have the garlic sauce also. So these 3 sauces help you to cut down your cooking time. So these are sauces you make and preserve in your fridge or freezer. By the time you're ready to cook, you spend less time in the kitchen. How about that? Thank you so much, so much, so much, guys. Do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to share the video. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, you may want to consider subscribing, because I need you on this growth that is happening. Take care. Bye. Mwah.